SmartView Installation Guide. In this video, we will be providing steps to properly install Oracle SmartView to Excel due to the common failure of installation. SmartView is an Excel add-in tool that connects with Hyperion Planning and Essbase to create formulas to calculate data values. Download and install the compatible version of SmartView and SmartView extension from an EPM Cloud application. After downloading successfully, install the SmartView application first. Refer to the screenshot below. Then install the SmartView add-on for administrator if needed. Open Excel and see if SmartView showed up in the top toolbar. If not, enable SmartView according to the following steps. File, Options, Add-in, Active Oracle SmartView for Office for Excel add-in, and COM add-in. Once Oracle SmartView for Office is enabled, access to the same add-ins page and check Excel add-ins. Make sure the SmartView file hstbar.xls is also enabled. Restart Excel and the SmartView tab should be available at the top tab of the Excel window. Here are some SmartView benefits. Easily access data from the business intelligence and EPM applications. You are able to update data to be imported into the database, create custom reports, effectively drill down to the appropriate hierarchy of data. You can also add formulas to analyze data. And don't forget to join us for our open mic series. Every Wednesday and Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time, we answer your questions on cloud computing.